Imagine sending out breathtaking wedding invitations that look like they were designed by a professional. But guess what? You created them for yourself for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to Georgia Denise YouTube channel. Today I'll show you step by step how to design an elegant wedding invitation using Canva. No graphic design experience needed. Stay with me until the end because I have a bonus tip that will make your invitation stand out even more. So remember my last video regarding Etsy's top 10 best selling digital products? I made a video. I'm going to link it in the description and the cards above it also in the description, where I told you the top 10 best digital products to sell. That's what's making thousands on Etsy. And in the list I gave you, let me tell you what they are. So I told you we have printable wall art, digital planners and journal, business and branding templates, wedding and event printables, resume and cover letter templates, SVG cut files and circuit and silhouette files, printable stickers and labels, Lightroom presets and filters, ebooks and guides, and Canva templates. So today I'm going to show you how to do a wedding invitation in Canva. So let's get started. So we're going to jump over to Canva and we're going to click on Create Design. And it's asking what would you like to create. So we're going to do wedding invitations. And the standard size for wedding invitation in portrait size is 5 by 7 inches. So you would click on that and then you could either start from scratch or you could work with the templates that's there. So let's let it load. And if you look over here to your left, you will see a number of wedding templates. And when you see that little crown on the lower right hand side of the design, it's because that is a pro account. But you could make this using a pro account or a free account. Let me see if I find an invitation where it looks really good and it's a free account, because remember I just told you could do this for free. All right, I think I like this one right here. Let me click it. It will jump over and it's a free design. So as you see, it has a number of elements and number of fonts. For instance, okay, we're going to leave the original as it is, and maybe we want to change a little bit around. So what we're going to do is click on the plus sign right up here and it will say duplicate page. So duplicate page, and we're doing that because maybe we want to come back and use it the way it is. So with that, now if you don't like these flowers over here, you want to change the flowers, what you would do, you will come back over here to the left, click on elements and search elements, and let me see if they have wedding flowers, if that's a term that we could search. Wedding flowers. Okay. All right, so let's change this. I like this, but even though this is a pro element, I still like it. So let me see if there are any free ones. If you want to see more where it says graphics, then you want to click on see all. Oh, and for a tip that I should let you know, when you're using these elements in Canva, you could only use the graphics. Okay, try not to use the photos because there are copyright issues with that. So try not to use the photos if you can. And all of these are coming up as pro because I have a pro account. So let me scroll down a little bit more, try to find some free floral arrangements that we could use. All of these are coming up as pro. Okay, this is pretty and it's pink. So to change that out, we would click on the graphic, click on the little garbage can to delete, and to bring this over, we just come back over here and click on it, and then we will move it to where we want to use it. So even though it's sitting back there, we could still move it just by grabbing it and sliding it to where you want it. Let me change the other one as well. It seems like this was placed all over this design in different areas. So we're gonna, again, right click on duplicate. It's gonna sit exactly as it is. So make sure you just drag. It's there. Find it and drag it. I'm gonna duplicate this again. And then we want to drag and turn. I want to turn it a little bit. And to turn, you see this little sign over here. This back and forth thing. Just use that and then turn it to where you want it to be. And then just position it how you want. Now, if you want to change the font, you can do that as well. You would come over here and click on the font. And if you want to change the font style, let me see. It's telling you right now this font is using the Montserrat Classic. Let me try the Georgia font. I'm going to show you how to do it. Then you will click on the font itself. Come over here where I have the little magnifying glass. And if you have a font name that you want to, just type it in there. Let me see if they have the Georgia font. All right, let me see if they have the Georgia font. They have the Georgia Pro font. Let's click on that and see what happens. And then as you see, come back over here on the invitation and it's changed. Now we have the letters coming a little bit over the graphic. You could either move the graphic out of the way a little bit, or you could highlight the graphic and then decrease the font size by clicking on the minus sign. But that's a little bit too small, so we're gonna go up with the font. Okay, all right, so I'm happy with that. Now we come down here and you want to change the names of the people on here, and let's put Amelia and William sound nice. Let me just change it to Olivia and James and see what happens. And again, you could change the font as you wish. So you would highlight the name. So I'm highlighting Olivia. We're going to change that to Olivia. Olivia. And James. Highlight James William by itself and change that to James. All right, so now we have Olivia and James. And if you want to bring the font closer to the center, all you have to do is place your cursor and play around with it. That's all. Place it closer to the and sign and bring it closer to the middle. You could also highlight the entire thing, click on position, and it's already centered. If you want, let me fix it so that you can see how it works. Highlight the entire thing. I'm gonna drag it out of place just to show you how it works. So click on position and click on the word center that's sitting over here to the right, and it will move it center. Now, I think you have the idea, right? Let me just go in and make it better. So we're gonna make the wedding in June. So we'll change the month. Sunday, June 25th at 5 p.m. 2025. 2025. See how easy it is? And then you have you change it to the address and reception to follow. Now, I want to download this, being that we're going to use this new one. We could leave that sitting up there, but to download it, you would click on share and you would click on download. Then to send a PDF, like on the paper, you will click on PDF standard or PDF print, but do PDF standard, and you will go in and print number 2. We're not using number 1, we're using number 2. You would highlight that and change that to number 2, and then click on done and then download. Also, you could also send it electronically, and the way you would do that is we'll go back out, click on share. You would have a link, so you will click on see all, and then you would have a link for public view, and then you would email that link to your wedding guests that you want to invite to the wedding. Now, another little tip, another bonus tip that I want to give you is if you want to attach a QR code to this wedding invitation. That's what I was talking about at the top of the video. I told you I have a tip for you. If you want to send this or put this on as a QR code, what you would do is go ahead and share. Then you would copy the link, download and copy the link for public view. Create public view link. Here is the link. You're going to copy that. You're going to open up another Canva page. Let me duplicate this one. Then you're going to, or you could have done it on the same page, but I'm doing it in a different page. You're going to go to your home page. Okay. By hitting on those 3, go to your home page. You want to create a new design. Create a new design. We're going to do a custom size. And I usually do 2000 by 2000. 2000 by 2000 pixels. 2000 by 2000 pixel. We're going to go into apps. Go back into the left side of your Canva design. Look for apps. You may have to scroll down a little bit. Look for apps. And the app that you want to find is or you could even type it up here, QR. Type in QR and it should pop up. Make it easy. QR code generator. And you see this one here that says QR code, the black and white. We're going to use that one. Open it up. Enter the URL, which is what we copied from the wedding invitation, the link. Paste it and generate QR code. And there you have a nice QR code. I'm going to download it and put it on so you'll see. Have an idea of where to put it. So make sure you stretch it to fit the page. Don't go overboard because you want to be able, the phone is to be able to grab all of the points. So now we're going to share that and download it as a PNG. Download it to your desktop or whichever device you're using. And I'm just typing wedding QR code. Wedding QR. Okay. Make sure you put that in your downloads. Save that. Okay, it's saved in your downloads. Now you're going to come back to your wedding invite. You're going to look for a space on here where you want to put it. We could move some things up and drop it at the bottom, but I think I'm going to put it on the side over here just for in the interest of time. So to get it, now we're going to go back over here on the side of Canva. We're going to click on uploads, upload file. You'll have this QR code on your desktop. Select it, open it. It's going to come into your uploads. Then you're going to click on it and it's going to jump over to your wedding invite. You minimize it and drag it over to some point on your invite. It doesn't look too good right here, but some point on your invite. Let me see. Can I change the color? Should be able to make it so that I could change the color, but no, I'm not able to. But that is how you would create a QR code. And what happens now when your guests get their invite for the QR code, it will take them to the link for the invite or even a web page that you're creating. Most people now create a web page where they have their registry and a lot more information as far as, you know, what the bride and the groom prefers. So this QR code will take them to that point. But I just wanted to give you this bonus tip if it is something that you choose to do. But this is how you go ahead and make a quick wedding invite for you to send to your guests either physically or electronically for them to attend your special day. So I just wanted to show you how to make a quick wedding invite, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want to see regarding digital products, and I will go ahead and make the video for you. If you have any questions, just leave it down below in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer. Until next time, guys, be sure to take care of yourselves and your family. Be sure to make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and again, until next time, take care of yourselves and your family. Happy creating. Bye-bye. Tired of the same old styles? Ready to make waves with your wardrobe? Welcome to Touch Me Textures, where bold meets beautiful and every piece is designed to turn heads. Our collections are all about textures that feel as good as they look. From flowy dresses to eye-catching accessories, we've got everything you need to express your style your way. Find pieces that speak to you for every vibe, every adventure. And the best part? Our site makes it easy to shop and easy to fall in love with everything. So why wait? Dive into style that's uniquely yours at touchmetextures.com. Feel fabulous, look unforgettable. Click the link in the description to check out all we have to offer.